Welcome to Python Explained Visually. This video is designed for visual learners, covering core concepts like variables, data types, control flow, functions, and object-oriented programming, or OOP. What is Python? It's a high-level interpreted language designed to be highly readable, almost like English. It's dynamically typed, meaning variables don't require explicit type declarations. Python also includes a massive standard library right out of the box. Variables are labels, not memory boxes. Multiple variables can point to the same object in memory, as shown in the mental model. Remember to follow naming rules, such as using "snake underscore case, starting with a letter or underscore, and avoiding keywords. The 5 data types you will use most often are integers, floating point numbers or decimals, strings for text, booleans for true/false values, and none for empty values. Strings are sequences of characters. They can be indexed from the beginning with positive numbers, starting at 0, or from the end with negative numbers, starting at -1. Lists are ordered and mutable collections. They support indexing with positive and negative values, slicing, and methods like append, insert, remove, and pop to manage elements. Dictionaries allow you to look up values by a unique key, not an index number. Keys can be strings, and values can be any data type, as demonstrated in the user object example. Control flow in Python uses if, elif, and else to branch the execution path based on conditions. This is essential for decision-making in your code. For loops allow you to iterate through collections. This includes iterating over items directly, using the "range" function for counted loops, or "enumerate" to get both the index and the value. Functions package logic for reuse. They are defined using the "def" keyword, followed by the function name and parameters. Functions can include return values and default arguments. In object-oriented programming, classes act as blueprints, and objects are instances of those blueprints. Each object has its own data and behavior defined by the class. Be aware of common pitfalls, such as using mutable default arguments, comparing none with double equals instead of is, and modifying a list while iterating over it. We have covered variables, fundamental data types, complex collections like lists and dictionaries, control flow with if/elif, loops, functions, and classes. You now have a visual understanding of core Python concepts. Thank you for watching this visual Python tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. If you have a topic you'd like us to cover next, please leave a comment.